Before I continue discussing the markets, please take this moment now with helping me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click subscribe. Click this bell. Click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Next, click the thumbs up button every time you watch my videos. Okay, let's continue with the view of the markets. It's Saturday, 4:56 p.m. New York time. In this video, I'm going to go over blockchain stocks to use for cryptocurrency and for other business applications. Before we get started in this video, hit the like button and the subscribe button. Leave a comment with what markets you want me to discuss in future videos. I greatly appreciate it. I also need to reach 1,000 subscribers to help faster growth on this YouTube channel, because that's the YouTube policy before I can start live streaming. Okay, let's get back to discussing the markets. In Google, search, type in the words, winning Wall Street's money, and then click enter. And look for that, right there, winning Wall Street's money. Click on that. Brings you to my YouTube channel. See these tabs? Click on the one, playlist. So today, I'm going to be discussing blockchain, so it will be here. So if you want to see the past ones, you can click on full list and click them on, as well as other categories you can see. And if there's one that you don't see that you want me to add, ask me. Now let's go here into the weekly charts. Each candle is a week. Let's look at the bigger picture. Look at the yields. Yep, on the weekly time frame, the yields made a new high and took out that big round number of 20. Higher yields put pressure to raise interest rates, has a huge effect on currencies and treasuries. So the 30-year yield going higher, pushing down treasuries. This is the 30-year treasury, referred to as a bond. Look at that. This wedge, these purple lines, it broke below it, broke below the 165. In one of my recent videos, I mentioned I was looking for it to bounce somewhere in here to reload, to trade bearish. Bearish if you think the price is going to go lower. So I was looking for an opportunity to profit on the downside. It didn't wait for me. It took off. Yeah, there's always another trade. The US dollar index. Typically, when you lower interest rates, the US dollar gets weaker. Well, yields are going higher, putting pressure to raise interest rates, but the dollar is still bearish. Yep. Lower highs, lower lows. Momentum is down still. Bitcoin, all-time high. I'm in Bitcoin positions on the bullish side. So Bitcoin go higher, I'm doing well. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency created and the one that has the most volume, the most amount of trades. The most people are trading the big boy on the block. It's the leadership. All the other ones are not getting the most activity. That's why they don't move so much. And when they do move, it might be the underlining, this one moving, making the other ones move. Got it? Okay, let's go look at the blockchain stocks. I'm going to say the letters, the stock symbols phonetically. X-ray, November, Echo, Tango. And the prior video was like 3 or 4 weeks ago. So when you look at these charts, I'm going to show you, it was either this candle or that candle when I was last discussing that. But you can check on the past video and see how I mentioned which stocks. I shared with you which stocks were the strongest ones, which I would recommend you consider being on the bullish side. If you took any of them, hopefully you've done good, and hopefully you took your profits already. So now this was the high of the year. We already took it out. Outstanding. Outstanding. Mike Alpha, Romeo Alpha also took out the high this year. And on the weekly candle, that's a pin bar. That is a bearish pin bar. Yep. If you didn't take your profit already, be prepared. It might make a lower low. Nothing wrong with taking profits already. Should have. Good money management would teach you that. Romeo, India, Oscar, Tango took out the high this year. That was a consolidation. It was a wedge. Inside candle, broke out the upside, the inside candle, which is a buy signal right there that occurred. And look at the momentum. Nice. Bravo Tango, Bravo Tango. We couldn't even take out the high of this year yet. Not good. Yeah, there are better ones than this. I shared it to you which one was the better ones. Foxtrot Tango, Foxtrot Tango. Again, did not take out the all-time high of this year yet. Delta Papa Whiskey took out the all-time high for this year, but still has to take out the all-time high of last year. Golf Romeo Oscar Whiskey took out the high of this year. Outstanding, broke out of acceleration. Yep, this was one of the three or four that I shared with you my past video of the strongest ones. So 2 of them I already showed, which are the strongest ones, are outperforming. This one, Golf Romeo Oscar Whiskey, and the other one I mentioned, X-Ray November Echo Tango. Let's go on. And look at that. Notice too, it did not pull back as some of the other ones pulled back after they made new highs. Sierra Romeo Alpha X-Ray, all-time high, took out the high of this year. Outstanding. That was the 3rd one or 4th one. Yeah, that was the 3rd one I mentioned in my past blockchain video. That was one of the super good ones to consider buying. Yep, all 3 of them outstanding. Now that's a bearish pin bar. Again, if you haven't taken your gains yet, you don't have good money management. Not good. November, Echo, Tango, Echo. Yep, we took out the high of this year. We failed to take out the high of last year still. It's not good leadership. Who's running this company? Fire them, lock them up, send them back. Delta, Sierra, Sierra. Wow. Nor did we take out the high of this year, nor the high of last year. It's declining. Bad leadership. Okay, who's running this ship? Bunch of yahoos. All right, let's zoom in to the weeks of this year to see who's good leadership, if the same or any additional ones, or the ones that were leadership past video have reversed. Yep, X-Ray November Echo Tango, still outstanding. Made a higher high, higher low, closed above the high of last week. Outstanding. Near the highs of that week. That's good. Wow, not so good. Where it made higher highs, it closed near the bottom of the current week. That's not good. This is strength. That's a sign of weakness. Romeo, India, Oscar, Tango, sign of strength. Outstanding. Bravo, Tango, Bravo, Tango. Wow, it's struggling. Foxtrot, Tango, it's struggling. Delta, Papa Whiskey. Yeah, it's struggling. Golf, Romeo, Oscar Whiskey, outstanding. Higher high, higher low. Very good. Sierra, Romeo, Alpha, X-Ray. It's struggling. The momentum's great, but it just closed near the low. That's not good. So again, if you didn't take your profits, well, and if you did take any of these, hopefully you update me and let me know which ones you took. Maybe something I don't have out here I should add on here. November, Echo, Tango, out, Echo. Yep, not so good. And definitely not good. Delta, Sierra, Sierra. Let's go to the other group I have in the blockchain. Again, each one is a weekly time frame. Bravo, Delta, Romeo. No, it did not take out the high this year, nor the high of last year. Not so good. 2 inside candles, outstanding. Inside candle back to back. That's building a wedge. Wow, when that breaks out, that's going to be awesome. Hopefully you catch that trend in that correct direction. So if it breaks down here, I'll be trading bearish and catch that new trend. Or if it breaks out to the upside, breaks out, breaks down, one way or the other. It's building a coil wedge. That's a trade signal I'm showing you there. See how that performs in the days and weeks ahead. Lima, Bravo, Charlie, Charlie. Yep, took out the high of this year and the high of last year. Wow, outstanding. Big strong up. Such a low float stock, being in the pennies. It's a penny stock because below $5. Yep. Are you surprised it spikes up like that? Low float stocks do that. Bravo, India, Tango, Charlie, Foxtrot. It's struggling. Outstanding. Not just kidding. It's terrible. It's terrible. Who's running this company? Wow, might want to call them up and vote them out. Bravo, Lima, Kilo, Charlie, Foxtrot. Nope, not good. Didn't take out the high of this year nor the high of last year. Bravo, Tango, Charlie, Sierra. Nope, not so good. It didn't take out the high of this year. It's struggling. Bravo, Tango, Sierra, Charlie. Took out the high of this year. Closed up strong, pretty well. Close above midpoint, that's good. Charlie Romeo, Charlie Whiskey. Wow, seriously? Didn't even take out the high this year. Nope, not even the high of last year. So I guess it saw glory days last year and it's not going to be there anymore. Golf, Bravo, Tango, Charlie. Outstanding. It broke above the high this year. Good kid. Mike, Golf, Tango, India. Now, when I showed this last time, I may not have the wedge on it. These purple lines, it was a wedge. And in that wedge, building a coil, these inside candles, outstanding. Look at that. Broke out to the upside. Momentum went upside. So that's good if you took this trade here. Outstanding. And if you close your trade for profits, not gains. Gains is not the same. Gains are telling me you're still in a position. Profits mean you're out, you're in cash, and you locked in profits. There's a difference in those terminologies. Okay, let's zoom in on again the time frame for the current year to see where we stand at these blockchains. Bravo, Delta, Romeo. Nope, didn't take out the high. Lima, Bravo, Charlie, Charlie. Just quickly look. The takeaway is most of these did not take out the high this year. Most of them look like they're in consolidations. So the first group I showed you are the better performing ones. Yep. Okay. So again, I appreciate if you subscribe if you haven't. Click that bell if you want to get the next notification and click like. If you like this market information I've shared and want to learn more with greater detail, step-by-step training, I have a Patreon page. I share trade ideas for earning monthly income. Below in the description box, click show more. Scroll down. This link here, click on it. Take you here to my Patreon page. Select the membership and join. Then you have access to unlock my posts.